So, good morning. My name is Marco Vinicio Martinez. I'm a member of Team 7, and today I want to present our final proposal for the textile challenge that's affecting the company named Badster. So, let's get started. In this case, here we have some pictures of the conning area from the company. In this case, we have dozens of textile rolls that are mainly used for the manufacturing of hospital beds. And the main problem here lies in the fact that all of the workers in the area are mainly women that need to carry or lift all of these rolls, which may have a weight from up to 150 kilograms, which could actually present some ergonomical risks for all of these women, and they could also cause accidents inside of the company, and therefore some of co-workers from other departments intervene constantly in this handling of this roles, which also means an interruption on the workflow. Besides, there's not an implemented measurement system measurement of the consume of the textile, so therefore the actual consume is now estimated being manual, and therefore all of these rows cannot be sent to storage. So our solution for this problem lies on this machine that you can appreciate on your screen. And in this case, the main purpose is to store all of the rows. In this case, in this machine that you may appreciate here, it has a maximum capacity of about 10 rows. Of course, it depends on the size, the dimensions, and the weight of each row because it varies. Yeah, and and yeah, it will also have an automatic tracking system. In this case, we plan to integrate a weight sensor in order to be able to track the measurement of the consuming of this material, so that some of the other rows may be transported to the storage. And yeah, that's so our proposal. And it's important to also explain what's actually the impact, what are the benefits of the implementation of our proposal. In this case, first of all, the taking into account the ergonomy and manual handling, it ensures the physical safety of our co-workers, or it at least increase the probabilities. It decreases the probabilities. I'm sorry, from an accident, because the implementation of this machine means that the co-workers will not be constantly handling by hand or lifting all of these rows, which is actually a benefit. And therefore that also means that the interruptions on the workflow from other departments because of the interventions from other co-workers, it's gonna be decreased. So that may translate into an operational improvement, in this case, from the point of view of the company. Here we have an approximate budget. It's important to emphasize that this is all based on this just an estimation. Is based on some data that we collected from the internet, and also the current estimated textile waste that you may see here as you may see here and on your screen. We estimated about 1,000 Mexican pesos. So when we base our estimation according to some given information from the company, that this problem have cost in the last years millions of pesos of loss. Yeah, so that's a huge economical loss. The total cost of the implementation, if all goes well, and based on a deep research on the current market, is about 300 Mexican pesos. So therefore, if we calculated estimated payback period of this might lie between 3 and 4 months. and return of investment actually for the year will actually be, if we calculate it, above 200%. So that's actually our proposal, and we hope it fits with the expectations of the company. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a great day. Thank you.